Welcome to the Flex Integrator Tips number 2, the built-in spectrum analyzer. The built-in spectrum analyzer is available in all Flex BDAs and Fiber DAS products. The spectrum analyzer is accessed via the Fiplex control software included with all units. Settings for the spectrum analyzer include selecting the band of operation from the available equipped bands of the unit, view the downlink or uplink signal path, the signal entering the unit, the signal exiting the unit, or both input and output simultaneously. The resolution bandwidth is adjustable, as well as the start and stop frequencies. The measurements may be averaged for greater clarity. As an example of the spectrum analyzer's usefulness, let's filter out the 800 band commercial cellular signals by limiting the upper passband to 862 MHz. Notice the yellow input trace shows the cellular signals, but now the green output trace shows no amplification of those signals. Make sure to check out all the fit tips.